Hello everyone. Welcome to my Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make this gold skin effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Okay. We have our image opened in Photoshop. You can download the picture from the link in the description. Right-click and duplicate the layer. Then go to Filter, Camera or Filter. First, increase the temperature. And do the following adjustments. Once you are happy with the effect, hit OK. Cool. But it is affecting the foreground as well. Let's create a mask to this layer and hit Command, Ctrl-I. Make sure the color is white and start painting. There we have our golden skin effect. Thanks for watching and see you on another tutorial.